Episode 3 The Legend of the Man in the Moon. Once upon a time, there lived a woodcutter named Cuội. One day, he took his axe into the forest and shot up trees to chop down. Suddenly, he saw 4 tiger cubs lying dead in front of their cave. Just as Cuội was about to come nearer to see, the mother tiger arrived home. Being afraid of her, Cuội threw away his axe and climbed the closest tree he could find to hide in. Looking down from the tree, Cuội saw the mother hovering over her cubs. Then she went to a tree near to the one that Cuội was hiding in, took some leaves, chewed them up, and placed them in her kid's mouth. To his amazement, the tiger cubs immediately recovered and started to move and play. Cuội waited until the mother tiger led her cubs away to another place and then slowly crawled down. He walked toward the tree and dug the roots out to take it home. Along the way, Cuội saw an old man lying dead on the grass. He pulled some leaves off the tree, chewed them, and put them into the man's mouth. How miraculous it was! The old man's eyes started to open. Then the old man said, "This is the magical banyan tree. Take good care of it and hear the word. Remember to never use dirt to water on the tree, otherwise the tree will fly up into the sky." Cuội saved countless lives with the magical tree. Whenever he heard of someone who was seriously ill or was dying, he would rush to take some of the leaf to him. One day, Cuội saved a dead girl in the river. The girl was grateful to Cuội and she wanted to be his wife. From then on, the couple lived together happily and peacefully. However, his wife's personality and actions began to change as the day passed by. When he asked her to do something, she would do something else. One day, when Cuội went to the forest, he told his wife to water the tree with the water from the well. However, she didn't do as he said, instead watering the tree with dirty water. Immediately, the magical tree began to shake and started to lift itself up into the sky. When Cuội came home, the tree was no longer in the ground and was already a head above him. Cuội quickly grabbed the root and tried to pull the tree back. "Oh, my tree! No, I can't lose it! No!" Soon, the whole tree itself was lifted into the sky along with Cuội, and it kept on going until it reached the moon. Since then, Cuội has been living on the moon with his magical banyan tree. People also say that each year, a single leaf falls from the tree's branches into the ocean.